Hello, from the Friends of the Domes at Mitchell Park, this is Story Time. I'm Mr. Pete, and today I have a story for you that's based off an old nursery rhyme. Have you ever heard "It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring"? Well, we're going to expand on that today with "It's raining, it's pouring" by Ken Eagle and illustrated by Robert Gilbert. And check out the old man. Yeah, that looks like a nice grandpa right there. All right. So let's go ahead and get started, friends. It's raining, it's pouring. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Look at that. It is dripping all in his bedroom. He and the missus are sleeping, and look at all the rain. They got buckets collecting it. Oh my goodness. He bumped his head when he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. Look at that. All the water so much is like a river, and he floated right out the door. Woo! Oh my goodness. Look at that. His missus. Woo! Well, she got her coffee. That's a good thing. It's cloudy, it's breezy. The old man is sneezy. Oh, wow. Yeah, you know how it's with allergy season, right? He blew so hard that he moved the stars. But of course that wasn't easy. Do you think you could sneeze so hard to move the stars? Wow, that is some sneeze. Woohoo! It's snowing, it's blowing, the old man is growing. Oh, 'cause he's eating, right? He ate so much one day for lunch, every part of him was showing. Oh, there goes a button. Oh my goodness, wow. It's warm out and sunny. The old man loves honey. Uh-oh. Do you know what's coming? Uh-oh. Don't do it. No. He tried to seize a batch from the bees, and they didn't think it funny. Oh man. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, he should have been a little bit more respectful on how he did that, right? It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh, did he look silly. Well, hopefully you're not doing that, because that would be kind of scary. Good thing this is just a book. It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. They're having a picnic. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. Oh, wow. Man, look at that. They didn't expect them to show up at their lunch. Woo. Have you ever had ants in your pants? Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezing, if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasing. Oh, look at that, next to the nice fireplace. And there's Cindy and Willie. They're sleeping nice during whatever the season. Very good. And there's the kitty looking outside with the goldfish. You know, it doesn't matter what kind of weather it is. There is so much for you to explore in the outdoors. And right now, you can't come to the domes because the domes are closed due to COVID-19. But that is a wonderful place to explore inside some plants from other places. But outside, right in your backyard, there might be some things you don't know about that maybe you should get to know. So check out the plants, check out the animals, check out the weather. Whatever it is, enjoy this time because it's a good time to get to know your backyard and those living things, whether plant, animal, or otherwise, that live with you that maybe you didn't know about. And it's okay. Just, follow the rules of those amazing adults that live with you, and enjoy nature for what it is, whatever the season. I hope you find it pleasing. All right, see you next time on Storytime.